Hey there, health enthusiasts. Today I'm diving into the fascinating world of oil pulling, an ancient practice with some pretty impressive claims. So grab a comfy seat and let's get started. First things first, what exactly is oil pulling? Well, it's a traditional practice where you swish oil in your mouth to pull out toxins and harmful microorganisms. Sounds pretty cool, right? Now let's talk about the claimed benefits. Advocates say that oil pulling can do everything from whitening your teeth to boosting your energy levels. Some even believe it helps prevent heart disease, allergies, headaches, and acne. And get this, some say it can even aid in weight loss. Amazing, huh? But how do you actually do it? It's super simple. Here's what you need to know. 1. Do it first thing in the morning before brushing your teeth or drinking anything. Alternatively, you can do it a few hours after eating dinner. 1. Coconut oil is most commonly recommended because of its lauric acid content, which has anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. But you can also use olive oil, sesame oil, or any other unrefined cold-pressed oil you prefer. 1. Take 1 tablespoon of oil and swish it in your mouth for about 10 to 15 minutes. If that feels too long, you can start with less time and gradually build up. Make sure you don't swallow the oil. 1. Spit the oil into the toilet, not the sink, as it could clog your drain. 1. Rinse your mouth with warm salt water and then brush your teeth as usual. And there you have it. If you want to get a bit fancy, you can add a drop of organic essential oil like lemon, peppermint, or cinnamon to your tablespoon of carrier oil. It adds a refreshing twist to your routine. Now, you might be wondering about safety. The good news is there are no known side effects and it's suitable for all ages. That said, it's always a good idea to consult with your healthcare professional if you have any specific concerns. So, why not give oil pulling a try? It's a simple, natural practice that just might bring some positive changes to your daily routine. And if you do try it, I'd love to hear about your experience. Drop a comment below and let's chat. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more health tips. Catch you next time.